What's the meaning of chilblain? Chilblain. Chilblain.
Chilblain. Chilblain. Chilblain is a medical condition that occurs due to exposure to cold and humidity, often affecting the toes, fingers, ears, and nose. The symptoms of chilblains include redness, swelling, itching, and blistering of the skin. The condition can be painful and uncomfortable, especially when the affected area is warmed up too quickly. In severe cases, the skin may crack and become infected. To prevent chilblains, it is important to keep the body warm and dry in cold and humid weather, and avoid sudden changes in temperature.